In this quick step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a simple Gantt chart in Excel using a template. Start by downloading the free Excel Gantt chart template using the link provided. Once opened, you'll notice two tabs, one with sample data to give you a sense of how it looks when complete, and a blank version you'll use to build your own Gantt chart. Go to the Blank tab, enter your project's title, project manager, company name, and the project start date at the top. You'll see pre-filled task rows and sample phase labels. You can rename these as needed, either on the left where tasks are grouped or on the right above the chart. Update the project tasks list in the task title column for clear task tracking and assign each task to an owner. For each task, add a start and end date. The duration column will calculate automatically. Update each task's completion percentage. The cell's color will automatically change based on the completion value you enter. To create your project timeline, fill in the grid cells to match your task's dates and duration. Use the pre-filled cells in each phase as a guide to keep formatting consistent. You can copy and paste it or use the Format Painter tool for faster styling. And there you have it. You've created a simple Gantt chart in Excel that makes project management and task tracking more visual and easy to share. Transform your project details into an easy-to-read Gantt chart with Smartsheet.